Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey, Poppy here. This is Poppy After Midnight for December 10th, 2019. It's winter. I know the official calendar don't say it's winter, but it is winter. It's cold, wet, more cold, more wet. I was looking at some of the news, and it seems like everything east of the Continental Divide is going to get froze or rained, frozen rained, snow, sleet, hail. Uh, it's winter. Let's see. We had the worst year for ants this year. This is coming after 3 years, one, two, three, of no problem with ants. Of course, then for 3 years we had people over here, all around us with cannabis farms, gardens. Anyway, so all the water and nutrients they were giving to their plants, the ants were happy. June, code enforcement went through Clear Lake here, and they just messed up a whole bunch of people's lives. I mean, there are a lot of people, they ain't going to have Christmas because they had to yank it up. Yeah. Anyway, and we had the worst year from June till a couple days ago. I finally got tired of the ants. And I dragged the Spectracide in and I sprayed it in the kitchen. I figured out where they were coming up through the concrete slab, and we've been having princesses, queenie lates. They're like twice to 3 times the size of their sisters. They're going to become mamas. Come through the house. My wife, she got a queen. Big ass. And I figure the weather, lack of food now that no one's gardening, and maybe competition. That's why the queen left the nest. I could see queenie lates, and drones following them. But a queen leave the nest? Something seriously bad. Um, because of not wanting to spray poison in the kitchen, in the house, was using canola oil cooking spray. You spray that on a superhighway of ants, dead. And they won't go near it. I'd leave it for an hour or two, especially if they're trapped. Especially if they're trapped somewhere and trying to get home. You talking to me?
No, the dog.
Oh, okay.
No, you're fine. If the dog is growling at me.
Anyway, trap them so they have to go through it to get home. And every once in a while, splat, 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 splat. Especially princesses. I figured each one of them was a million ants that I prevented. Canola oil cooking spray kills them like that. Of course, you can't leave it too long. It gets smelling bad. Rancid. I discovered something else. See this stuff? Ants will not go near the grease that comes off of this product. I mean, I've had ants all around the toaster oven where I cook this stuff. All over the toaster oven except on the little tray that goes in the toaster oven with the piece of foil. And, last batch of this stuff I cooked, oil sitting there, it won't go near it.
Mine have new big round oily batch.
Well, anyway, I'm going to go for now. The audience is totally unappreciative.